Alright folks, Chad with Mount Taylor Off-Road Adventures. We're down here in Hot Springs today. We're here at the Frosty Treat, having an off-road show today. 4x4s. Going to have some trophies to give away here in a little bit. We're going to catch up with the judges and listen to them, kind of do their thing. We're going to get with Darius and Tollmater here, kind of listen to them as they do their judging.
Yeah, we're judging off-road right now. Tire class. Jeep here. We got a list here of what we're looking for. Got so many points for what you got. We're not really looking at prettiness here. We're looking at off-road.
That's right. Yeah. Off-road capabilities.
Whole different ball game.
Here's Big Daddy.
KB. See, this is a win.
Hey, buddy.
This is going to be a 34 to 37 car.
34 to 37 inch cars.
She's got a wing. Ada, you got a jack? Have you got a jack? You got a spare tire in there? But you got a jack? Okay. What about your axles? Are they stock or modified? Stock? Okay. You got a fire extinguisher? Okay. All right, that's what I need to know. All right.
He did.
He did.
Coach strap?
Washed it the next afternoon.
I got you. That's terrible that they're saying that. Stock or modified engine?
You know what, the last time I seen him,
Okay. You got radio? I knew that. And I know you got tools.
we went to
Okay. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. I appreciate you helping.
Y'all the Wrong Way Wranglers?
Wrong way, right?
All right, here's the Wrong Way Wranglers. They've showed up with a good group down here. Glad y'all came.
Thank you.
Good to meet y'all.
Good to meet you.
What kind of business y'all running here? Bracelets.
She does
Awesome.
a good job. You leave her alone.
I know
got
it. Look
one.
at
Thank
look
you.
at that neck band she's got there.
Next Tuesday's my birthday, so
This is good through Halloween. That'll be all right.
No,
We'll let it go, and then that'll take care of me.
so it is modified. Darius, you know your driver's side rear tire is going flat on you? Yes, we know. We aired it up all ago. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's leaking probably around the feed. You got any tools?
Yes.
Radio.
Yes.
Nose strap.
Yes.
Modified or stock engine.
Stock engine.
Fire extinguisher.
Yes. What year model?
99.
99. TJ. 4.0. It's got a unique cab on it.
He's tried the cow face run before.
Yep, he's attempted the bounty hill. Took out a tree or two, but he didn't leave no skin marks. What we got here, Darius?
We have got a 75 Bronco. It's a local truck. I know the truck. I've seen it a lot. Different shows. It's an owner build.
Owner built truck, Shelby engine out of a Shelby Mustang. All powder coat. Lots of time invested.
Exactly.
Yep. Immaculate. He's got it in a magazine here. See which magazine he's got. Bronco Driver. Awesome.
You got spare tire or jack?
Nope.
Nope.
Yeah, it's called 800 Haggard.
Any tools?
Yeah, I got a few tools.
I know you ain't got all those regular. Post rock? Work.
Sweet ride. You've done a good job, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, Darius, what kind of rig we got here?
Well, we've got a Grand Cherokee
Grand Cherokee.
with no bumper.
No, but I seen it lose part of this stuff.
I know exactly where that bumper's at.
Yep,
It's up there in Richardson Model.
yep. That is a going little machine, believe it or not. We have witnessed.
It
And
cannot be tore up.
you can't kill it. We've seen it underwater, everything else.
Yeah, sucked water up in it.
Yeah.
It still started. And
Yeah.
you didn't even have to use either.
No, I think it'll run on water.
We got one on air right.
Uh-oh. Let's check this thing out. How high will it get? Look at that. Holy smokes, Darius.
That's pretty cool.
I'm telling you.
You got a jack?
Yeah.
That is sweet
It goes
right
all the way up
there.
to six inch
Hey,
width.
I'm gonna say you got a modified suspension.
Just barely.
And then I've got an air down system kit where I just plug in cables. I've got mounted.
You got
On your
tools?
tars.
Yeah, I've got tools. I just plug
Oh,
here.
you got tools with you?
Yeah.
What about a two-way?
Yep.
Yep. Toe strap, I see that. Engine stock,
Yeah.
What brand toe strap is that?
fire extinguisher.
Monster rigging.
Okay.
He especially made it for me. Even my dog.
You got
beach
a fire
especially-
extinguisher?
No, that's one thing I don't have.
That's
Sweet
cool.
ride.
That's a cool ride.
Yep.
See, hey, did these antennas deals light up?
Yeah.
They do?
Yep.
Okay. Did you enter the light deal?
I didn't know about it, but yeah, I
Okay.
did it. Oh yeah, I bought these because I went up to Utah. They just have a flag in there. But I was up like I have an air down system where I said I got just cables I plug into the fire right into the I can hear them all down at the same time and pop out at the same time.
I like it. We appreciate it.
Here's the Big Mama truck. Mr. Nicky brought it. 79 Ford. There's his Wrangler. Chad CJ5, 1977 V8. Winch, ARB lockers, full spine strings, rear end. There she's got a 350. Nice rides.
He did every bit of that himself. Amy swapped it and everything.
Yep.
They did good work
He
on it.
done a good job, I can tell you.
I actually like this better with the top on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I mean, it's just preference.
Well, here's the thing. I took the top off, and my buddy's supposed to come up and set the hard top on. He didn't show up.
I understand.
I like it like that. I'm gonna listen to you tell about what it's got.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
You have any questions for us?
Yep, I'm gonna have a few. What? Can you go V8 on the hood?
That's a 392 Henry V8.
That's what I was thinking. Didn't catch me out. It's definitely a modified motor.
It didn't come with that.
No, no, sir. It's got aftermarket stereo too, correct?
Oh, yeah.
Do you have have you got an off-road radio?
Not with me.
Not with you? Okay. You know that's a goose egg.
I didn't. Y'all got me on.
You got tools? You got any tools?
Yes, I got tools.
Okay.
I got a jack. Jack won't reach it, but I got one.
Well, you got a tire though, don't you?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna give you modified on that suspension.
Just a little bit modified.
Yeah, and I know your axles are modified because we talked about that at the last show. If you remember, I asked you about them then.
Yeah, that's got.
Have you got a tow strap?
No. I got a winch.
Yeah, I got your winch. What about fire extinguisher?
There.
Sure do. Man, you're carrying all of it.
I got lights.
We're gonna do a light deal in a little while somehow, if we can get around to it. I don't really have any other questions. What about the action? No, stop. Tools?
Tools, I got tools. I got wings.
Radio?
Got a radio.
Tow strap?
Got toe strap.
Engine start.
No
Start
fire
stick.
extinguisher.
Overall appearance. I'm gonna
Scratchy hula hen.
scratchy shit. So I better not rephrase that.
Hey, I'm gonna wait on
Scratches
Scratchy.
add
She
character.
uses
That's
the
right.
Hey, if I got a scratch award somewhere,
That
I'll
adds
get
value to me,
there
doesn't
ain't
you?
no doubt.
It got there and back.
Been there, he's done it.
Yep.
Oh man.
He's even got water there to drink on the way walking
Yeah,
home.
man, that's
You know exactly what I mean.
better. Any sticker you can put on.
Yeah.
They point it where you want it to.
Yeah.
I got the timer on my phone and things like that. I didn't get my light put on anything. So I got your
19 Rubicon
It's got a custom breather on it.
custom.
It's a nice Jeep
Yeah.
with off-road capability.
Yeah.
I know. She showed me that.
It's even got the water bar drag down system on it.
Yeah.
One way to describe it.
See a spare tire.
What's the name of your barbecue?
It's called the 52 and more.
Barbecue and more. I've eat his barbecue. It's awesome. He's done some cooking for some of the off-road bunches, and it is very good. So if y'all put on an event, y'all need somebody to come and cook, this fella right here. You want to tell them how to get a hold of you?
Yeah, we go over here. It's called
Okay.
the 52 and more. This little thing right here is our mobile rig. This is what we use to go in parks and deliver food. So
Okay.
if you're out in the park and
Okay.
we're there and
Yeah.
you can pin us, you know,
Yeah.
come to you in the park. You got a certain number of people.
Yep. Y'all will
Come get
cater
one
about
over.
anything.
Yeah, we'll cater anything. We do
Okay.
weddings. Heck, we'll do a funeral if you want us to.
Yeah.
I mean, we didn't talk about that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we do bar mitzvahs. It doesn't matter. If you want something to eat, you call us.
Awesome.
We come to your house. I mean, it doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
Yeah.
You can find us sometime at Kroger's on Airport Road. I sit up there and
Right.
do events there too.
Yeah. And you've got a couple of different barbecue pits depending on what you're
Yes,
doing.
sir. I can go from 20 to 1,000. So
Okay.
I got a trailer that's built to come in your backyard. I got a 18-foot double smoker truck on wheels, and also got a 30-foot kitchen on wheels.
Awesome, awesome. So this guy can cover you in anything, and I promise you, You will lick your fingers clean when you eat his stuff. It is good.
Thank you so much.
Good to meet you, sir.
You too.
I said, you could change it. I mean, seriously. Oh, I know.
They won't fit in my
Well, they won't work today though.
No.
Hey.
Tried to upgrade, bought a nice super winch. And
Well,
it's
you
an
do
inch
have.
too wide.
You got a spare tire?
Not in it.
Okay.
I got onboard air to patch kit.
Well, that ain't a category. You got a lift yet?
2.5.
Okay. What about axles? Stock or standard?
Stock.
Stock.
Blockers.
Triple lockers.
Well, now you got lockers. You got okay. Tools?
Yes.
I know you got a radio.
I got 3 radios.
I know. Toe strap.
Yes.
Engine.
My little man.
Stock modified.
Stock.
Stock.
I'm staying the night with you tonight.
All right, you're welcome to.
Fire
Oh
extinguisher.
boy, huh?
Yeah, this one's got the tent. It's mounted on top for overlanding. Spares, his ice chest, fire extinguishers, traction boards.
We appreciate you coming.
He's rigged up right.
That's right. I think so.
He is rigged up right. Plus a good looking rig. I'll get with him, Darius, when he's doing the lights.
Yes. Has he got a spare car or a jack? Probably not.
Big Daddy, you got a spare car? We gotta get Big Daddy out here. There's one thing about this man. He rides in it, but if it breaks down, he just picks it up and totes it home. We don't have to call a wrecker for him.
He's got a 454 in that.
Ain't that right, Big Daddy? I said, you don't have to worry about a wrecker. If it breaks down, you just pick it up and tote
You
it
got any
home.
tools?
Yeah.
In it?
Yeah. Under the seat.
You got a radio?
Yeah.
Toe strap?
Nope.
Engine stock?
Yep.
Fire extinguisher?
Nope.
Alright.
Hey, what motor's in it?
You know what I'm talking about.
Green Jeep, red interior. Looks awesome. Are you the owner?
I am.
Okay, come around here. He'll have some questions for you. Or he'll round to front.
Where's she at? There she is. We got a don't work up there. Radio? Yeah. Toe strap? Y'all know next time what to bring. I got all that. Yeah, you got it. What do you want me to give you half of this? That's a good looking ride.
Yeah, one Jeep leaving.
You got a spare tire? Got tools?
I don't see a radio either. No radio. Look here. Look here. I gave you a bracelet. There you go. Go.
It's a good looking ride here.
Yes, it is.
You got a jack, buddy? You got a jack? What motor you got? Stock, modified?
Yeah, it's a 6. That's got a tune.
You do have tow strap? Two-way radio?
Two-way radio.
Yeah, like a handheld?
Little small. Yeah. Ouch.
Tools?
Yeah. Yeah. Tools. I don't have really heavy tools. I got some pliers and
What about
zip screws.
what about your axles?
Axles. 44.
They stock? Well, we're going right up through here.
Okay.
Reaper's Row right here.
Hey, Bryce. Just like the ball game, just something cold to drink. You know what I'm saying?
You want a water?
I'll drink anything right now. Most of my budget went right here. Well, as it should. 8 lug off here. Yeah, you got 1 ton. Yeah, full long arm. Yeah, full foot rear. ESC hydro. Top load drive shaft.
What rear end's in it?
You got the spare tires, jack. I got a bunch of plugs and onboard air. Yeah, I didn't need a big old heavy 40 hanging off the back.
We don't run spares either.
Yeah, what about you? Yep, got rugged, hard mount. Toe strap. Yep. Tree saver, winch. Motor upgrade.
Or tire.
Stop. I'll be honest with you, and that Jeep over there, I mean, y'all are neck and neck, but he's got speed on the motor.
It's 6'4".
I know, I know. So, hey, so you can't drive it if you was.
Hey, now does it help if I tell you this is going to go to
That's just about it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It may be some, may not exactly agree with what you're doing there. Well, that's good.
There she is. My old wheels are pretty tore up. I got these new ones.
Alright, cool. I see you've got some aftermarket truss, Justin. I'm gonna give you the aftermarket axles, all
I
right?
got the e-lockers just run right here.
I'm gonna give you the modified axles. I know you got tools. I know you got a radio.
Oh yeah.
Toe strap.
Yep.
Engine.
Stock, got a snorkel. A true cold air intake.
Spark sander.
Yep. Roll bars, custom made by
Yep.
myself.
Yep.
That's front and back on this one.
Nancy, we appreciate it.
Yes, sir. You got a number? You got it?
Hi, your Harley is your.
I had a little pink Lego look at
We're always it's like honest. It's like the honest. I look at everything else. It's like,
We appreciate you guys hanging out with us. Y'all are what makes this happen. This has been here for 74 years. Next year we celebrate 75. Y'all are the reason that it keeps it open and keeps it going. And we thank y'all so much. Wouldn't be possible without you. On the other hand, this is the guy behind the scene, the Wizard of Oz, Mr. Darius Milton, the outlaw, the one and only Darius Milton.
thank y'all. He is right. I am the outlaw, buddies. There's not anything I won't try, anything I won't do. The guys that run with me know that. They've known that since I was a kid. But we do like to have a lot of fun. I got out off-roading for a long time. I've been on the monster truck circuit. I've done mud racing. I've done it all. But I come back home. And me and this cat here, we've done a lot of shows, a lot of cruise-ins, but I'm going to tell you, this four-wheel drive deal is the best thing for the state of Arkansas because we are on the map tonight, guys. 4x4s in central Arkansas. And it's only going to get bigger with y'all's support. Now, I know everybody tonight not going to win a trophy. And I apologize for that, but the competition was tough. We tried to maneuver some of you around so everybody would at least have a shot at winning a trophy. But if you guys will follow us, this thing will get bigger and we'll have a lot more awards because we only put this thing together in a week. So imagine what we could do in a couple of months with all you guys' help. So please, I know a lot of you's got pages, I know this, I know that, but please talk about it. Keep it upbeat, keep it going, because it's too hot to wheel right now, but just as soon as deer season's over, the Mount Tabor bunch and the Cool Breeze bunch is going to hit the Washita National Forest, and we're going to hit it hard, guys. Hit it hard. So listen, I want to thank Jeff and Michelle Oral right here. They're the ones that offer all this. They're paying for all this. They deserve a big applause. I want to thank my wife, Tanya Melton. I want to thank Karen Kempton. They're right over here. They're going to be handing out awards. So give them a big thank you. Chancey, I appreciate the 501 Jeep Club showing up. You guys were awesome. I think the Trail Hooligans is represented tonight. We want to thank y'all for showing up. Wrong Way Wranglers, they're right back there. Nita, she has been a big help this week, calling folks, pushing this together. It's not about what club you're in, it's the fact that we've all got four-wheel drives and we all share the same common interests. So you guys showed me tonight that that's possible. Cool Breeze team, they're based out of Mount Tabor, along with Mount Tabor Adventures. As Chad knows over there, we want to thank him. Campbell Jeep showed up tonight. You guys can buy, anybody want to buy a new Jeep, please go talk to them, because they want to get on board with us as well. They see the potential here in Hot Springs. David Briggs, he's not here tonight, but he supplied these awards from Exit 208 Trophy and Awards. But like I said, guys, it was tough judging, and we judged on the basis of off-road capabilities tonight if you were going wheeling tonight. So, all right, guys, no specific order. There's no first, second, or third tonight. You're just the top three, and I'm the only guy that knows who the top three, how you placed, and I'm not going to tell nobody. So, with that being said, oh, okay. 33 and down class. Number 24, Mo Buchanan. All right.
Okay. We all are. Can y'all stay together so take your picture?
Hey, we're going to take pictures too.
Y'all ready? All right, gotcha.
All right, Chad's going to be filming. He's filming for Mount Tabor Adventures Off-Road. If you're not a member, please become a member. There's a lot of exciting things going on there as well. And he's going to start doing a Jeep of a month deal. And you know, put your Jeep out there, and we're going to talk about it and show it, and you can get on there and talk about it. It's going to be a cool thing. Number 20, Matthew Patterson, 33 and down. All right, awesome. You were the Wrong Way Wranglers, correct? Yes. Congratulations.
Doing it right.
Last but not least, Jeep number 1, Myron Smith. He's with the Cool Breeze team and lives right up there in the middle of the Mount Tabor bunch.
Oh, Myron.
Woo! Myron, thank you, buddy. Appreciate you, buddy.
Ready?
All right, we're going to move on to 34 to 37 class.
Moving on up.
Moving on up, number 14, Jonathan Loprinesi. And I probably screwed that one up. He's got the white Jeep back here in the back. Man, if you hadn't seen it, you need to go look at it. That's all I'm going to say. Rennie Eford, where are you at? Come on up here. You're the next contestant.
34 to 37.
34 to 37, this gentleman. He beat his wife by 2 points. I'm just going to say that. He's in trouble. He's in trouble at home tonight.
I heard him say you beat your wife. Yeah.
Hey, it was close.
Glad to have you back. Good.
Nada, congratulations to y'all on that one. I know y'all will share that trophy.
That will get big.
All right, last but not least, and it doesn't mean she was last. She could have been first. I'll never tell.
He has the biggest.
Amelia Strickland, number 34. 501 Club.
Thank you.
All right, here's the big boys. And remember, guys, it's not necessarily the best paint. It's not necessarily the best suspension. It's who had the most stuff on the list and that sort of thing. So just remember, the next time you come, make sure you got all your stuff. 38 and up. Number 35, Chancey Strickland. 501 Club. Jeep number 39, Brandon Sigmund. This cat here offered me $20 for one of them awards. And he won it on his own merit. How about that? Hey, congratulations, buddy. Last but not least, number 42, Carrie Dyson. The 79 Ford over here. She had lots of stuff. She is an off-roader, or her husband is anyway.
Hey, he's got a good backing.
Yes, he does. I know you did. It's all yours. Congratulations. All right, now you guys don't feel left out. We had 4 trophies.
Hey, whose Jeep is this?
That is, I don't know.
Whose Jeep is this? Tony! Is that your Jeep? Yeah. It's going to be famous.
Okay.
It's in all pictures.
Okay. If he didn't get an award, at least he's going to be in every picture. There you go. All right, guys. Jeff wanted to do like 4 awards, just to do 4 awards.
Hey, just because we
appreciate you guys buying hamburgers and hanging out and ice cream, and let's get on with it. It's getting dark. Frosty Treat Award, the first guy here to win one of these, number 38, Troy Hughes in the Voodoo Jeep.
Boy, we appreciate you, buddy. Thanks for coming out.
Hello, here we are. This next award, we're going to give, and believe me, I looked at every Jeep out here. We're going to give this to the most scratches on a Jeep. I have never seen so many scratches, and I'm not asking why, where, or how. It's been used. Yes, number 12, Kobe Knowles, the most scratched Jeep award.
Hey, buddy. Right here, Colin. Hey, it's a Jeep. You got to use it like that.
Of course, that black really shows scratches. I understand. Hey, I understand.
Thank you, Kobe.
Number 7, Chris Verezzi.
Chris, where you at? Chris.
Right here he is.
Oh, my goodness.
He has the big red Jeep back there.
Chris, thank you, buddy. Appreciate it.
We appreciate y'all coming. And last and not least in the Frosty Treat class is Don Hawley.
Donnie Hurley.
Hello, Don Hawley.
You sound like Mel Tiller. You sound like Mel Tiller.
Hello. Congratulations. All right, we're going to do the mall crawlers, and I've done explained this. This is not, we're not making fun or pun. First Jeep up, Noel and Robin Music. That's the Jeep down here on the end. And it's very, very, very clean.
Hey, neighbors of ours right down the road from the campus.
He'll sleep all day tomorrow because he's
Cole,
up all
thank
night.
you.
I know.
John Dana, where are you at?
No, not in the Jeep.
75 Bronco over here in the grass. He was parked in Bobby Hampton's spot, my buddy's spot. He was concerned which class to get in. So this is the class he ended up in. Thank you, John.
Congratulations.
Last but not least, Melissa Kaufman with a 23 Rubicon.
Melissa!
I'm her sister.
Well, and your name is? Michelle.
Do we have a Jessica Terry in the house? Jessica Terry, are you here tonight? Here she is. I don't know how many ducks she's got, but she won the most duck award. She got all of them. How many? 77? She's got 77 ducks riding with her. I feel for them.
Hey, good. Hey. Whoa! On the travel.
Furthest travel, we have a couple here, 101 miles. Ricky and Jennifer Staten.
101 miles.
Jennifer, we're going to let you have that award, okay? That's your award. Your husband doesn't get it. He has no right to it, okay? Yeah, I know. Show them. Guys, this is a Cool Factor award.
Cool award.
I give this award at any function that we have. We give this award away.
It's spelled with a K.
And it's spelled with a K because it's cool. The coolest ride here that we could find, or we thought was the coolest ride here, was the Mojave Jeep back there on the air ride suspension. He could get low, he could get high, he could do whatever. So we felt like he was the cool dude tonight. So Michael Gates, come on down and get your cool award.
Michael!
He's coming.
He's coming.
I was cooking burgers and I seen something out the corner of my eye and I'm like, that Jeep's dancing.
How do you
That's
put it up
pretty
there?
cool.
No, just as long as you shine it on there.
It's good. I like taking this.
Guys, Jeff, this happened on a fluke. David Briggs just kind of hard on me.
No, I'm going to take over this. Hey, wherever that loose connect. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Now that we got this, hey, this started out as a joke. Between the ordering the trophies and paying for the trophies and back and forth between David and Exit 128 Trophies and Darius, who calls me every morning with a new idea. I wake up with the next morning and I see this picture on my phone, and it's supposed to be me. I look like the Family Guy. But these guys are kicking it back and forth, and they're having a good time with it. At least somebody was. And they created a cartoon character of me. And they said, we're going to give out a Jeff's Choice.
That looks just like you, Ed.
Hey, I'm going to need you to sit down. It's good to see you, buddy. So I don't even know who won this award. How do we give it out? I'm going to tell you, because this is the person.
Hang on. This guy
By the way, and you're right, he did not even enter tonight. The guy that wins this trophy didn't even enter because he felt kind of like he would be favored. Well, he is favored. You know why? Because he supports me. He supports Darius. He supports Frosty Treat. He supports the local clubs. He has done more for what happened here today than anybody knows. He's been through a rough time, and he still puts out his all. With nothing else said, and we can't say anymore. Chad, where you at? Chad Nolan.
Let's go, Dad.
Hey, this guy right here.
Let's go, Dad.
Is the push behind what we do. This is why what we do happens. Chad, you have no idea how much we all appreciate everything you've done. And the reason why he's not talking is because he's a crybaby and he can't say it. These guys, Chad has pushed this more than anybody than I can imagine. Chad, thank you, buddy. Let's get a picture real quick. The story? You want to try? Deep breath. Here you go.
Listen.
Me and this guy's been lifelong friends. We went to church together. We skipped church together. We'd go fishing when we were supposed to be in church. We wheeled together. We married and had kids, friends. We drifted away. My father died. His father died. Some people did not want to support me in a cemetery deal that we have. It's been a lifelong deal. Chad, he stepped up. He said, I'll help you. We moved on. We talked about wheeling, and we were fixing to really get to doing it. And the man got sick, and majorly sick. But he's still with us. And I made a promise to him. I said, buddy, whatever you want to do, ever how far you want to take this is how far we're going. Guys, in 6 months, we have wheeled. We have taken 80 acres of my farm and we're converting it into a mini off-road park for everyone.
Yo, come on.
So, I don't know where this is going to go. I don't know where it's going to end. But we're going to let the good Lord just take it as far as He wants it to go. And we want all y'all riding with us. We're all a family. This guy was 2 weeks away from not being here. I'm not shitting you. Excuse my French. But I love him to death. He knows I'm crazy. I come up with some crazy ideas. But he's with me. So guys, give this man a big applause. And I'm sorry I'm such a baby, but it's just one of those things. All right, best lights. Number 51, Josh and Michelle Gaston. You want the best lights right here.
All right, let's get out of the way. I did. I'm the bit.
All right, we're gonna give best in show, and then we're gonna try to figure out who is the best, who has the most club people here tonight. So we looked at every Jeep. We looked at them hard. There was about 3 Jeeps out here, maybe 4 that could have been, should have been, whatever, best of show. But the guy that had all of his, let's just say, shit in order, excuse my French, but he did. He had it in order. Everything I asked him, he knew, or he had it. I was very impressed with his ride. Give this guy a big hand for the first ever 4x4 show in Hot Springs. Best of show, number 19, Ricky Sutton.
Woo! Got Ricky.
You go look at his Jeep. He's very self-supported, very clean.
Nice paint. It's got all the dots in the eyes.
Riggy, how you got?